Comprehensive guide to how an aircraft carrier operates and moves. Aircraft carriers are complex naval vessels that serve as floating air bases, supporting a wide range of military operations. Here's a comprehensive video on how an aircraft carrier operates and moves. Propulsion and movement. 1. Main engines, nuclear reactors or high-speed diesel engines for propulsion. 2. Gears and shafts, transfers power to propellers or turbines. 3. Rudder and steering, controls direction and stability. 4. Anchors and mooring, secures the carrier in place. 2. Flight operations. 1. Flight deck, the main platform for launching and recovering aircraft. 2. Catapults, assisted takeoff systems for launching aircraft. 3. Arresting gear, engages aircraft hooks for safe landing and recovery. 4. Aircraft elevators, transfers aircraft between decks. 3. Air traffic control and navigation. 1. Air traffic control tower, coordinates flight operations and communications. 2. Radar and surveillance systems, tracks aircraft and detects potential threats. 3. Navigation systems, GPS, gyro compass, and inertial navigation. 4. Communication systems, radio, satellite, and data link systems. IV. Aircraft handling and maintenance. 1. Hangar bay, secure storage and maintenance area for aircraft. 2. Aircraft handling equipment, tow tractors, lifts, and tie-downs. 3. Maintenance and repair, performs routine and emergency maintenance. 4. Ammunition and fuel handling, manages ordnance and fuel supplies. Versus command and control. 1. Bridge and command center, centralized control station for navigation, combat, and communications. 2. Combat Information Center, CIC, tactical display and control system. 3. Shipboard networking, integrated data network for sensors, weapons, and systems. V. Safety and survival systems. 1. Life support systems, air, water, and food supply for crew. 2. Damage control systems, fire suppression, flooding control, and emergency power. 3. Emergency position indicating radio beacon, EPIRB, distress signaling device. 7. Operational roles. 1. Power projection, supports ground and air operations ashore. 2. Sea control, maintains control of sea lanes and airspace. 3. Humanitarian assistance, disaster response, provides aid and support. This comprehensive video covers the key systems, sensors, and operational aspects of an aircraft carrier. From propulsion and flight operations to command and control, safety, and logistics, understanding these elements is crucial for effective aircraft carrier operation.